VirtualBox is free and open source software that allows you to run one operating system within another. For example, if you are using Windows and want to try Linux without changing your existing system, VirtualBox makes this possible. There are numerous reasons or advantages for using an additional operating system. For instance, you might use macOS, but you want to play a game that's only available for Microsoft Windows users. After you download and install VirtualBox, the link will be in the video description. Also, in the video description you will find the link for ArchLinux, as we use it as an example to install a virtual operating system. After you run VirtualBox, click on the New button. In the ISO image field, select installation file of the operating system you want to install. In the name field, determine what you want to call your virtual operating system and click Next. In the next segment, you determine how much RAM memory and the number of processors you want to allocate. In other words, how much RAM memory and processors your virtual operating system can use. It's recommended never to go beyond half, because if you allocate too many resources to the virtual system, your main operating system may run into problems and reset, or in extreme cases, crash. The next field is virtual hard disk, where we determine what part of our hard drive will be reserved for the virtual OS. If you plan to use a virtual operating system often, to install programs, games or similar, you should put a larger number. Otherwise, we can put a smaller amount. In this case, I'll put 50 GB. After clicking Next, you will get overview of your settings. It should be noted that if you change your mind about something, you can change the setting before and after installation. You can do this by clicking on Settings. Check your settings, change what you want to change. You can, for example, set up shared folders if you want to transfer some data between the main and the virtual OS. Or you can set how you want virtual OS to be displayed, whether as a Windows or full screen. After you set everything up, click OK and then Start to begin installation. Since the ArchLinux installation takes about 20 minutes, I'll speed up this part. If you want us to go through this step by step, write in the comments and we will make a separate video for that. After the installation is complete, click Start again, this time to launch ArchLinux. Enter the password you set during installation, or if you didn't set one, the default password is change.me. And that's it. Now you have ArchLinux running in VirtualBox on Windows OS. Thanks to everyone who took the time to watch this video. I hope you find it useful or at least informative.